Hi, how's it going? It's your boy, Mo. How do you make YouTube videos? Huh? How do you do it? Because I am at a loss, and I'll tell you why. Before I tell you why, I just want to say that I haven't done any prep for this video. I haven't written anything down, but I have been researching how to make YouTube videos for weeks and months. And if you look at my channel, there are things that I have uploaded that are gaming related. However, they don't feel satisfying, they don't feel natural. So I just want to tell you that I'm making this video naturally. And what I mean is I don't have any background in it. I don't have any notes written down. I didn't do research about this video, but I'm talking about it from how I feel. And you can't research my own feelings. Like I can't go online and somebody already knows what I'm feeling right now, which is a bit of a frustration towards myself. And I'll tell you why that as well. And I think that's because I have been doing too much research on how to be a YouTuber. And that's a problem. I'm stuck in the hamster wheel because I think I'm going to find the perfect answer, the perfect guide, the perfect tutorial, the perfect how-to. You look around me and I have the perfect room from my perspective, or from anybody's perspective. So the room's great. I love the background. Got my name right there. I even put the shelf, got the futon, got the light. It's a beautiful room to record in. I'm very proud of it. Me and my fiance, Nicole, right there. You can see her up there. I have the perfect setup. I got very big OLED monitor and I have very big TV, another second monitor right here. I have all of Adobe products. I have all the transitions, all the assets, everything ready, but I'm still struggling. And I've sat down a long time and I thought about it. I'm like, why is that? Why I'm doing all this prep to make that video, whatever that video is, right? And then I'm like, dang, I haven't made a single progress toward making anything. And this is where it hit me. I'm like, oh, I'm just procrastinating. I can't say the word right. Procrastinating? I've been pushing off the actual dirty work of making a YouTube video because I think it's gonna be easy. I'm just gonna keep doing research and then it's gonna come by. And that didn't happen until now. And I think this is the first official video where it's me, my own thoughts and feelings about the difficulty of trying to be yourself. I've always grown up. I've always grown up. I have grown up being told what to do, how to do it, when to do it, why I should do it. I'll go more into details about it in another video. But to make it short, I was raised without an individuality. Because I was told what to do all the time, I had never questioned of, what about me? What do I want to do? I get everybody around me knows what I should do until I met my beautiful partner, until I left that group of people. And I think this video is turning more into a diary, probably, of maybe there's deeper issues, not issues, but more like a deeper why as to I'm having such a hard time doing my hobby, which is outside of playing video games. It's deeper than just struggling to make a video. I think it's because naturally I think that everybody around me knows more than I do, and having access to the internet only makes it worse because I think everybody in the internet knows what's going on clearly. They're very confident of what I should do. So naturally, I do that. I look up all the guides and how-tos. But I never turned it around and looked at myself. I'm like, why am I the one who's struggling here, even though I have all the information in the world that I need? That's where I struggle to make videos. Because I believe everybody knows more than I do online, specifically. Because I have a better setup than 99% of YouTubers probably. And it always felt like I was missing something. And it turns out that what was missing is my authenticity and who I am as a person. I thought the internet will tell me what my niche is going to be. What's the trending thing? What's the popular thing on YouTube? Make a video about that. Subnautica 2 just came out. Like what? Yesterday? 2 days ago now? I think it was 2 days ago. Thursday, was it? Yeah. And I was struggling like hours before the game came out. I'm like, I love video games. I've been Subnautica 1. I should make a video about it. I should make a video that is viral, that will go online right when the game comes out, hours after the game comes out. But it felt off. it's like I'm chasing something that deep down it wasn't really authentic to me. I do like video games, but Subnautica 2 wasn't really the game I wanted to play. Deep down I didn't feel like playing it because right now I'm addicted to League of Trash. So I felt bad about it. And my partner told me to play Subnautica 2. I'm like, maybe I should. Or you know what, maybe I should hold off on it. Maybe I should hold off till I feel like I want to play and probably record it. But the bigger issue is that I wanted to record this of my struggle with YouTube in general. I hope this video is intended for the right audience and explains why a lot of people struggle, or why I struggle personally in making YouTube videos. And hopefully this could be a good start to a healthy YouTube habit and a healthy life in general, you know? Not just for me, but I hope for you, that amazing person who's watching this, realizes that maybe you have the answer. You just are afraid to turn around and look inside and just take the jump. And I feel like with this video, technically I did make the jump, but we'll see. We'll see. I think this is a good start. I have my notes open here, but it's empty. This is all off the dome right here. So I don't know how to end this video. It's kind of a weird video, and you're seeing natural me without the edits, or maybe I'm probably gonna do cuts, but you know, nothing crazy. I've always wanted to show off my room and show off my talent, my editing talent, my YouTube talent. My YouTube channel is as old as 2011. That's how old this YouTube channel is. And that's where it bothers me so much looking back at it. It's like I've had this YouTube channel for years and I've just now hit 155 subscribers. It's never too late, right? But I'm like, if I just stuck with it early on, you can see one of my first videos like back in 2011. It's crazy. But I think this video is getting too long. I appreciate you sitting here listening to me yap about my struggle with YouTube, and hopefully this video, this vlog, I guess you could call it, will help me move in the right direction of really enjoying my hobby, really taking advantage of the time that I have with the amazing people around and making YouTube videos. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, hit the like. And if you didn't, you can hit the downvote too. Down like? No, upvote, downvote. Yeah. I don't know what I'm talking about. And if you have your own story, then share it with me. I would love to listen. The one advice I would give somebody is to, if you're starting on a hobby, YouTube for example, or drawing, or doing anything, and I've been told that I'm kind of a hypocrite to my own advice here, is to just do it, right? Just do it. You're afraid of failing, afraid of like knowing that you're not good at it. And that's what I'm afraid of originally, is like, if I just watch enough guides and YouTube guides and how-tos, I will preemptively be perfect in doing this. But that didn't work out, did it? It only made me more locked up, afraid, more pessimistic about my own skill, more questions than answers. Yeah. All right, I'll end it here. I'll see you next time, boss.